Today we're going to talk about problem 22.36 in the AOPS Introduction to Algebra. So it says it is known that 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared all the way to infinity is equal to pi squared over 6. Given this fact, determine the exact value of 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 5 squared all the way to infinity. So the first thing we want to try is we want to see if there's any formulas we know that we can plug into this equation. So we're going to try plugging in the fact we know that the first k odd integers, 1 plus 3 all the way to 2k minus 1, is equal to k squared. So we plug this in. If we plug 1 in as k, we plug 2 in as k, we plug 3 in as k. So we're going to try that. So we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 over 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So basically, we clearly see that this doesn't work because firstly, it's on the denominator, so we can't do any simplification. And secondly, so if we were to add up the denominators, we'd have way more math to do than just the odd squares as the denominators. So this method just doesn't work. So we're gonna move on to another method. So basically we're going to try to represent this as something else, and then we can try to figure out the value of the other thing. So what I mean by this is we know that 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 5 squared all the way to infinity is actually equal to pi squared over 6 minus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus all the way to infinity. So that is really obvious because we know that this value here, the sum of 1 over all the perfect squares is pi squared over 6. So we know that the sum of all the odd perfect squares as denominators is going to be pi squared over 6 minus the sum of all even square reciprocals. So we're gonna try this out, and so we just want to evaluate this part. So if we evaluate this even number part, we'll know our answer. So how do we evaluate it? So we know that there are factors of 4s in every single term, factors of 1 over 4s to be precise. So we have our original expression equals to pi squared over 6 minus, if we factor out 1 over 4 in every single term, we have 1 plus, so that's 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, 1 plus 1 over 4. If we try another term, it's 1 over 6 squared, so 1 over 36. So we have 1 over 9 all the way to infinity. And we can also rewrite that expression in brackets, inside the brackets. So that is simply 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared all the way to infinity. So what's the good thing about this expression? So we know that this expression just equals the expression we were given, that is equal to pi squared over 6. They're literally equal to each other. So we can just substitute pi over 6 in. So we have pi squared over 6 in. So we have pi squared over 6 minus 1/4 times pi squared over 6. So this just gives us 3/4 times pi squared over 6. and we can always cancel the denominator and the numerator with a common factor of 3. So that just gives us pi squared over 8. So pi squared over 8 is our answer. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.